My country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. Proud of. Its rich. And varied heritage. I shall always. Stay to be. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. Teachers. And all elders. Respect. And treat everyone. With courtesy. To my country. And my people. I pledge. My devotion. India will be. Ambrose party. Along life. My happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's international and national news is brought to you by Imran Reddy from Grade X TOPAZ. International news. Ukraine states that Russia used North Korean missiles in deadly attacks. National news. SEC asks ES.
Today's state news is brought to you by M. Vishan. New LPG collection second cylinder issue remains on hold. Telangana loses 1,969 government schools in a year as private schools gain ground. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's sports news is brought to you by Envarun Sai from Grade X. Afghanistan qualified for 2027 ODI World Cup. Indian women are preparing for their upcoming cricket matches. Thank you.
Weather report is brought to you by Vikas. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius, precipitation 10%, humidity 78%, wind speed 18 km per hour. Thank you.
Thought is brought to you by K. Ravi. The best and most beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched, only we can feel with art. I repeat again. The best and most beautiful thing in the world, only we cannot see or even touch, only we can feel with art. Thank you.
What is brought to you by Harshavardhan? Statistics, meaning studying of collecting, organizing, analyzing and interpreting data. Friends, please spell after me. STATIS TIC Statistics. Thank you.
I am Mayank from Grade 10 TOPAZ. Now I am going to give speech on maths. Mathematics is not just about numbers, formulas and equations. It is a part of life. We use mathematics while telling time, counting money, measuring things, cooking and even for daily activities. Mathematics teaches us about logical thinking and solving problems. Sometimes it may be difficult to us. By solving problems we can achieve anything. Thank you and have a nice day. Today's GK questions are brought to you by N. Reddy. Question for grade 7. What is the value of sin theta into cos theta? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 1. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 8. What is the probability of getting a head when 2 coins are tossed?
By 2.
No, you picked the wrong answer and the answer is 3 by 4. Question for grade 9. How many tangent is the father of trigonometry? I repeat it once again. Who is the father of trigonometry? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Hipparchus. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. What is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta?
1.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 1. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 2. What is the sum of first 100 natural numbers? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 5050. Let us appreciate them. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Vishnu. Here are my friends Haricharan, Harsha and Amresh. Today we are here to check your mathematical intelligence.
Vishnu, can we check something easier first? Like everyone is able to stay awake?
Hurry, this is a math activity.
Yes, I know. That's why I'm looking for exit. What is the probability of getting heads? Exactly, it is 50%.
Yes, it's right.
Finally, a maths question where I can be 50% genius.
There are 3 boxes. One box contains prize.
Can I check all 3?
No.
Can I shake them?
No.
Can I ask to my friend?
No.
Then what's the point of bringing me here?
Hey, sorry. Please come back.
Okay, I will.
So here are 3 boxes. We have to only choose either box 1, box 2 or box 3.
I choose box 4.
There are only 3 boxes.
Exactly, nobody will accept it.
Would you stay with your original choice or switch?
I will switch.
Why would you choose it? What is the reason for it?
If something went wrong, I'll blame Max and switch.
So the probability of winning by switching is 1 by 3 and the probability of winning by staying is 2 by 3. Here the term switching means we have 2 chances to choose a box and the term staying means we have only 1 chance to choose a box.
It means switching double my chance.
Exactly.
Can we apply this to my marks?
No, you should not.
What asking?
Choose a number between 1 to 10.
Okay.
Have you chosen?
Yes.
It is 7.
No.
Is it 5?
No.
Then what is it?
I forgot.
Oh.
And the ending here, the math is not about calculation. It's about logical thinking.
It is about making decisions. And math teaches me one important thing in my life.
Oh, what is this, Aksha?
Never sit in the first bench while during math test.
What is the reason for it?
Teacher can see whether I solving problem or solving my life.
Challenge to your math teacher.
But not for today's math test.
Thank you.
Thank you.